in this section, we're going to, sorry for using the word, okay. We're going to download fonts. Fonts, there are different type of fonts. We have Roboto, we have, Inter, we have a lot. I can't remember. I didn't know about Roboto, Inter. So, okay. So I'm going to show you how we download this font, how we get fonts, and where to get fonts anytime you're looking for fonts, right? Yeah, so I told you earlier on, this is going to be a beginner's tutorial. So we're going to take it step by step, right? I'm going to show you where, I'm not going to skip any process, right? So let's get down to business. So we'll come here, we'll type Google Fonts. Okay, in type Google Fonts, tap here. Now we have, see, there are different type of fonts. We have the Roboto, Open Sans. But for this project, we're going to use a font called Inter. Yes. So we're going to try and download it. How do I download this? I've forgotten. Okay. Okay, you tap on the font Inter. Yes, so we have extra light, thin, extra bold. So it gives us how it looks like. So we're going to come here and type download family. Yes. Yeah, we just type Inter here. Beautiful. Okay, so then okay. Okay, so this is the font we downloaded in a zip file. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. I'm using a MacBook, so I'm going to open it up. And right, okay, this is where it is. So we've successfully downloaded the file. So in the next section, we're going to talk about how to put this file into our project.